Chicken.
What was that? I think he's retarded. You're drooling.
Wow.
Your fucking lips are purple.
You alright, dude? Hey. Just sit. It's fun, right?
I don't know. I've never seen this before. Why is he snorting?
Because everybody's getting happy about it. Wow. That's a nice shot on the zipper.
He's good now. He's crying! Who knew eating the chicken strip could be so amusing?
Mm.